Hi there, it's Alexandra with WTI, and I want to show you what is, without a doubt, one of my favorite bags. I have had this bag for almost 2 years now, and it looks as if not one day has gone by. This bag is by Scarleton, and it has an amazing quality and a beautiful design. So it goes really well with several outfits, and it is also very good for several occasions. So it has red, black, and white. And right here at the opening, it has like a golden mirrored finish. This bag's design looks a little bit as a briefcase, which is something that I love. And also on the inside, there are just enough compartments and there is just enough space to fit all the essentials. So as you can tell, I was able to place my wallet, my sunglasses, my makeup essentials, and also my keys. And there is still enough space for me to add a little bit more. So this is Alexandra with WTI, and this was my point of view.